In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add answer keys to Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark correct answers and assign points so Google Forms can grade responses for you automatically. Start by opening your Google form and navigating to the question you want to grade. Make sure you're looking at the editable version of the form, not the live preview. Click into the question so you can see its options and editing controls. If you're creating a quiz-style form, this is where you'll define what counts as correct. Look for the answer key option beneath the question. Click it to switch into the answer key view for that specific question. Before you mark anything, check that the list of choices is complete and accurate. If you still need to add or adjust options, do that now so the correct answer you select actually matches what respondents will see. This is also where you set the point value for the question. Type in the number of points you want to award for a correct response. Choose a value that fits your grading plan. Higher for more challenging questions, lower for quick checks. Keeping a consistent scale across similar questions will make your final scoring clearer and easier to interpret. Now select the correct answer or answers. For single answer questions like multiple choice, pick the one option that's right. For question types that allow more than one correct response, such as checkboxes, you can select multiple options. Be precise here, selecting too many or too few will affect how responses are graded. If you change your mind, just click an option again to deselect it and choose the correct one. When everything looks good, click Done. That saves the answer key and point value for the question and returns you to the normal editing view. Your changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to publish anything extra at this stage. You can now move on to the next question in your form and repeat the same process. Open the question, click Answer Key, confirm the choices, set the points, select the correct answer or answers, and click Done. As a quick recap, open your form and the question, enter the answer key view, verify or add the necessary options, set an appropriate point value, select the correct option or options, and finish by clicking Done. Follow these steps for each question, and your Google form will be ready to grade responses accurately and consistently.